good afternoon. Coming at you from the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency breaking news desk. You can see the cryptocurrency prices, the Bitcoin, the XLM, yes, the XLM, the XRP, the Monero, the Algo have all flushed today as the sellers have taken over the market and the buyers have at least temporarily been pushed out of the market, and the cryptocurrencies across the board fell anywhere from 3 to 6%. Like, subscribe, and share. Most importantly, hit that bell notification to stay on top of this ever-changing market from the criminal gangster cartel that are actively trying to fleece, heist, and shiest you, yes you, the retail trader. Until the next update. Investing, and we had a big time flush today in the cryptocurrency market that we've been talking about and anticipating on a pattern breakdown. And you can see today the Bitcoin price did indeed flush through all that support that we've been talking about over the last several days, and actually the last couple of weeks. You can see it fell through that old all-time high, and look at that, it's coming right down towards our target that we've been talking about for several days now, down there at $17,969, right? You can see it had that nice beautiful flush today, and that's where we're targeting now before any kind of substantial retest. But it may come all the way down to that 16,597 as the US dollar had a very big day today. But tomorrow, or today is Tuesday actually, so reversal Tuesday is not in play. But I think we're coming down to there, and that is our technical target. That is our technical target out of this consolidation that it was sitting on for several days right here. See what we're talking about here? Let's pull up our pointer tool. Since it's been sitting on here, all that support and resistance, that 19,000 we were telling you was the critical 17 all-time high. And as soon as the buyers came in today, you can see it flushed all the way down. And it had a nice 4.5% fall today. And the price still hasn't stabilized yet, as there may still be more downside action, as the technical target out of this long consolidation is all the way down there. And that's what we're going to watch out for over the course of the next day or two, is does it get supported, or does it come all the way down to the bottom part of that orange support zone at 16,597, and that'll be your critical support down there if it flushes down past our technical target. If we look at Ethereum, see it got rejected beautifully, just absolutely beautifully off of our target. Up here we came back down through this red volume indicator zone, got rejected, came back up to it, hit it, straddled it, and now we flushed and we've broken the 200-day moving average in the hour time frame, and we're likely to come down towards this uptrending blue ring at $1,469, and that would be my next short-term support level in XRP. If we look at the XRP price, you can see we're very dangerously close to having a big flush down to that 29-cent level, as we've breached now the volume indicator zone and we're into it. So all logic would say that we're going to come down to the bottom part of this support zone initially, at the very least, at 29 cents. And there might in fact be more downside, right, in the XRP price, as we've been watching for this. Just like the cryptocurrency market, these support and resistance zones, we've been sitting on support, and now we're flushing down through them. So to me, it looks like we're going to flush down at minimum in XRP over the next couple of days, or maybe even today, down to that 29-cent level. And then if we can't find any buyers at the 29-cent level, there is a risk that we just fall straight through that and come on down to that next level down in the orange support zone, aka last line of defense to the shithouse, at 26 cents. So the key levels I'm watching out for today is the 29.5 all the way down to the 26-cent level, right? That would be your two major support levels in XRP, as your technical target out of that bear flag is down there at the bottom part of the red support zone at about 28.5 cents. XLM is the same thing. It flushed through that critical support level at 10 cents, and unfortunately you may be coming all the way down here towards that 7.75 to 8 cent level if the buyers don't come in XLM. And the next very near short term, you could be coming all the way down in a full lateral flush down to the next support level in XLM, and now your 10.5 cents and the blue line is your major upper resistance when it used to be your major lower support. XMR, you can see just like what we talked about earlier this morning when we talked. I said I thought this was going to come all the way down at least to the 144.86 based on market conditions and market action, and it has indeed come all the way down there. But be cautious, if you break that level, you're coming all the way down to the $129.49 level, right? And then the same in algo. You've got harshly rejected, and you're coming down to the bottom part of the volume indicator area at 27.5 cents. And if you break that 27.5 cents in algo, you're coming straight down to the orange support zone at 23.5 to 24 cents, right? So there's been a lot of volatility in the market today, and most of the volatility in the market has been due by the U.S. dollar having a phenomenally fantastic pump today as we breached the 110 spot level, and that's a critical area, as I feel like our next target to the upside is 120, and that could drive Bitcoin price down another 50%, and you can only imagine the kind of chaos that would ensue. On the rest of the market, you can see gold and silver. Silver had a pretty big down week. You can see gold still just kind of hanging around, doing what it does, floating around, maintaining its purchasing power. Yes, it's come down a little bit, but it's not down to 75% like the cryptos are, because gold is not a risk asset. It is a hedge, so it holds its monetary value better than other things. And then if you look at the stock market got absolutely crushed today. Absolutely crushed, right? Individual stocks didn't do too bad. The Dow Jones was only down 0.5%. The NASDAQ was down 1%. The Haysine Index was down 1%. The IKEA was actually up on the day. So we're going to pay attention for the rest of the week in the market to see exactly, can the buyers stave off. But like we were saying yesterday, the buyers were getting eaten out every time the price got rejected, and the bottom did indeed fall out today as the buyers were absorbed and the sellers took over the market, right? And you can see short Bitcoin investment products see record inflows amid market slump, report says, right? So that's people shorting the Bitcoin price. And we're going to stay on top of this for you all week and all day, because that's what old Vincenzo does for you, my beautiful audience. Hit that like button, the bell notification, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel and share it. Peace and love until the next update.